my name is Anurag Singh and I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my bachelor's in technology in 2023 with computer science as a major. So after completing my bachelor's, I was looking for a job. Then one of my friends recommended me to join Evision Technoserve for on-job training program. So I joined Evision in July 2024. After 3 months of learning, I got to know about networking, routing, and CCNA, security, and other things in networking. After that, I got placed in Teleperformance as a technical support engineer, and I'm handling Adobe product. So I am really grateful to Evision for providing me this wonderful experience of learning and providing me this job, helping me finding this job. And I'm really grateful to all the faculties, Vibhuti sir, Rahul sir, and also my placement assistant ma'am, Priya ma'am. And thank you to all the Vision team. I'm really grateful that you have supported me in my journey. And I'll really recommend to anyone who want to start their career in IT and build something out of it. Thank you.